Hello, thanks for joining me. This demo video for oil pastels. We're just gonna do a little landscape kind of thing. But first I'm gonna start out just talking about thumbnails and composition. So I'm looking out my window here and I see there's this tree, bright red tree, and then there's a fence. I have a fence right here, and then in the back here is all other trees, and then the lawn comes here and there's the ring of the fallen leaves. So I did that because I want to show you different compositions. So if you have that centered, there you go. But what if we make it like that? So then you have the tree. If you put the tree or up top, and then the line is there, the ground, because then this is the focus, right? Maybe the leaves that are coming down. Or if you do it, I'm doing a vertical composition, but what if you do it like this? Then you have the tree here, the leaves, and then you show all the background. And maybe then you have to show a strong light source to make that a dramatic, like an overhead light kind of thing. So you just want to think about that. And because I am focusing on the tree, I want it to be the biggest part of it. Boy, I went from a round one to an oval one. That's what people do all the time with design when they're trying to ask me to do something. I'll explain that later. Or maybe you have it, if it's really about the colors of the tree, maybe you have the tree big and you crop in. So it's really these bright colors that are the focal point, right? Bang, bang, bang. And that's it. And then you have just some faint yellow green in the back. So those are some ideas of what you want to think about for composition.